Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the process of creating visually consistent characters using a powerful tool known as Leonardo AI. Before we dive in, if you'd like to follow along or try Leonardo AI for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can get started for free. This innovative platform is an exceptionally valuable resource for generating both high-quality images and videos, especially when your creative project demands consistency in how a specific character appears across different scenes or outputs. With its wide range of built-in templates and user-friendly, intuitive controls, Leonardo AI simplifies what could otherwise be a complex task, making the entire process more accessible and efficient than ever before. To get started, navigate to the Leonardo AI website and click on the Get Started button. Signing up for an account is completely free of charge. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be taken to your personalized dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll notice a wide array of creative works produced and shared by members of the Leonardo AI community. These examples can serve as a rich source of creative inspiration and also help you gather ideas for effective prompts. You have the flexibility to examine these prompts in detail, directly copy them if they match your vision, or tweak and modify them to better suit your individual creative goals. Now, when it comes to designing a character that looks the same across multiple images, you'll want to look to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Image tool. Once you do that, you'll be presented with a number of different models and options for generating images. As you continue navigating along the left-hand panel, locate the section labeled Style and, for now, set this to None. Under the Model or Preset category, make sure to select Portrait, which is most suitable for character creation. If you've previously generated any images using Leonardo AI, you'll be able to access them here for easy reference. To ensure consistency in your character's appearance, it's best to make use of one of the templates that are specifically tailored for generating consistent characters. Within the available style options, you'll also find a collection of dedicated tools. Furthermore, in the Guide section, you'll notice a tool specifically designed for consistent character generation, which will prompt you to upload a reference image. Personally, I prefer to generate my reference image within Leonardo AI itself. For this demonstration, the prompt I'm going to use reads as follows: a cheerful anime-style schoolgirl with long, flowing black hair, big brown eyes, wearing a Japanese school uniform, standing near cherry blossoms, sunny day, anime style. I'll make sure that the portrait preset is selected and that the style remains set to None. Based on this prompt, I'll go ahead and generate 4 different images. Before clicking on the Generate button, you also have the option to improve the quality of your prompt by using the Improve Prompt feature. This function automatically refines your input to produce more accurate and visually appealing results. After enhancing the prompt, proceed to generate your images, which will require 14 credits. Once your images have been successfully generated, you'll be able to view them directly on your screen. Suppose one of these images perfectly captures the character you had in mind. For instance, the cheerful schoolgirl standing beneath the cherry blossoms. You can download this image by clicking the download icon. The next step is to return to the image generation tool and select a new preset such as Stock Photography. After selecting the new preset, head over to the top left corner where you'll find the image icon. Click on it and upload the image you just downloaded to use as your reference character. The character reference feature allows you to maintain the same visual identity for your character across different backgrounds and settings. Please note that this feature is part of Leonardo AI's premium offerings, although you may be able to use it once for free as a trial. After uploading the reference image, click the Confirm button to proceed. With your character now uploaded, you can place them into a brand new environment. For example, you might input a scene like a girl standing in front of a castle and click on Generate. After generating the new image, you'll see that your character, with all of her unique features like facial structure, hairstyle, and clothing, appears clearly and consistently in the new setting. You can further refine your prompt, alter the scene, or explore different styling options. The tools on the left-hand panel allow you to apply additional styling features or further enhance your prompt's effectiveness. By following this method, you can place your anime-style character into virtually any environment or storytelling context while keeping her design consistent throughout. You're also encouraged to explore other user-generated content for additional creative ideas. The Leonardo AI platform offers a wide array of visual styles, ranging from hyper-realistic photography to stylized cartoons, watercolor illustrations, artistic renderings, and even UGC-style or branded product visuals. Thanks to this diversity, it becomes much easier to find a visual aesthetic that aligns with your creative goals, whether you're focused on storytelling, content creation, personal branding, or pure artistic expression. Another noteworthy feature is that Leonardo AI supports video generation using the same consistent character concept. If you click over to the Video tab, you'll be able to upload your original character image as the starting frame for your video. This means the same anime-style schoolgirl can now appear in animated sequences, story-driven clips, or visual presentations while maintaining her consistent look and feel. It becomes incredibly easy to reuse your character across multiple forms of media, from static images to animated content, all while preserving visual continuity. And if you'd like to try Leonardo AI for yourself, you'll find the link in the video description. And that's it. Thank you for watching.